Yay for video.
You really should get everyone's consent
Derek,
if you can
I
record.
found your future car. Thanks, Connor. It's really nice of you. Well, you want a minivan. So.
Wow. What is it?
15 minutes. On the whistle. Into the chopper! Call it! Call it, thank you. Hey, is there anybody here? Hey, cover my left. Good. Hey. Hey, they're all over there. He's covering us, okay? Hey. If he gets out, just cover left. Here. Yeah. Let's go. I got him covered. Hey, is this off map right here? That's the paintball. No, this tree right here? Yeah. Is it off map?
Alex, is that tree off map?
No.
Which one?
The fattest one.
Guys, we staying here. Right here where we are.
Okay.
Alright guys, hold on here. Alright.
Derek? I have a problem.
Yeah, what?
Hey! My gun is not shooting right now.
Oh, great. Yeah?
Derek?
Yeah?
My gun wasn't shooting, but now it shoots.
Okay, good. Sometimes your motor overheats.
Hey!
Oh shit. Oh, that's Raph, never mind. Palm tree? Palm tree? Go, 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 go. Alright, I'll cover you, okay? Cover fire?
Derek?
Yeah?
Start shooting again.
Ready? Ready, guys?
Derek?
You're good.
Derek?
What?
My gun's it's not shooting again.
Give it a sec. Let it cool down. Is it making a grinding noise or is it just not shooting?
It's not shooting, but then it shoots over there, but now it's not shooting.
Okay, the battery is overheated.
Let it rest.
Let it rest. Give it 5. Just stand there and call yourself out.
Single fire either.
What?
Roll fire and single fire either.
I know. The battery's overheated.
Try to...
Just let it rest.
Damn, you got fucked. Where are they hitting y'all from? The top floor?
They're all spraying me right there.
The top floor?
There's like 4 of them. I don't know.
I wish I had my grenade right now. Do you have a grenade with you?
I do. Where are they at?
Everywhere.
Derek,
Oh, fuck.
Derek, pop your head
Oh,
out.
shit.
Alright, see there's a head right there? And that base right there, he's just sitting right there.
Yeah, I see him. Oh.
Oh.
Yo!
Right in the leg. Is there any respawns?
Yeah.
One?
Right side. Derek,
Yeah? Is it fire now?
wait. No. You want to look at it?
You might have actually blown a fuse.
Want to check?
Not right now.
Up to spawn.
Yeah, let's go back to spawn.
I got shot again.
Yeah?
So I'm out.
No, dude, well, it doesn't matter if you're out, if you're not playing. Okay, guys, they're all inside the structure up there. Just keep your cover, okay?
Thanks, man.
Alright, Derek. Yeah, so it was fire like right
Hey,
out.
dude. Not really. Actually, they're advancing on our right corner. We're capturing left and they're capturing right. Dude. Hey, you can get within 10 feet of the maze, okay? The structure. If I were you, would cover right.
Wait, what?
Cover right. God, I love telling you little children what to do. What?
Let's go in the candy van. I'll type now.
No, let's put it down.
Maybe my fuse got disconnected.
Maybe.
No.
Huh? Are you seriously back here?
What?
We got within 50 feet of the main objective.
Yeah, did we win or no?
No! Get up there!
Where are you guys going?
Respawning!
They got hit.
Yeah.
Who did get hit?
Oh no, I didn't. My battery's just...
Fucked. For now. We'll figure it out. Alright, let's just see the open door there. If the ground's not covered with paint, we'll put it down there.
Or
That's
you
good.
can do it on my lap.
Okay. Let me put my gun down. Because it's just one heavy piece of... I can't believe David's back there.
Should I
That-
take our goggles off here?
Yeah, no.
I want
Yeah,
to take my neoprene off then.
yeah, same here. That's what I do. Bye, people.